Hello, my friend. As we were talking before, this is a quick tutorial of Audacity, the open source software tool we use to edit audio files in order to make them ready to run on PBX systems like Asterisk and Freeswitch. And straightforward, I'm gonna show you how to download because I know that probably you're running Windows as your desktop. So let's open a browser here and Audacity download. So you go to download page. There's a Windows download link, and this is the installer. So you can install it easily into your operating system. And if in case you're running a Linux operating system, you can simply run, if it's Debian Ubuntu based, you can run apt install Audacity as I have it here. And in Fedora, you're gonna run yum install and any others like you already heard about. And let's open up Audacity. I'm running here a testing version, so if something goes wrong, maybe opening up is gonna bring me a warning. I have here two sample files at my desktop and MP4 files. Okay, so let's open it up on Audacity. So this is the error I was talking about. This is a trace. Should click on continue. Yeah. So open this audio. Okay. This is it. So it's a stereo. The first thing we have to do is to mix our stereo to mono, okay, because we're gonna use it for telephony systems. And the second one is the sample rate to 8000 Hertz, okay? Then, as I'm doing this, now I have to export the file. So let's export open audio as wave signed 16-bit PCM, okay? So click on save. We're gonna save at my home folder anyway, and click OK. It's that fast because it's a 20-second audio, and we see that it is here. And if I click to reproduce, it's ready to go. Okay, so this is the audio ready to set, and you can just upload at your system, your PBX system. It doesn't matter if Asterisk or Freeswitch or any other that requires a low sample rate and to work properly and to be detected by telephony systems. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it, and as I've mentioned, this is quick and simple, and please let me know if it's running fine after you put it in production. Okay.